All right, guys, so now let's go ahead and implement that tagging functionality. And by tagging, I mean this. All right, so back to the code. The first thing we want to do here inside the code is blah blah. The first thing we want to do is to make sure that the panel is hidden by default. All right, so we want to set the display property to none. All right, and now if we go back to the page, the panel is hidden. All right, and now let's go ahead and implement the functionality to actually toggle the panel. Right, so the first thing we're gonna need here is right, first up, well, let's define our script tag. And I want to export default, and inside this default object that we're exporting, we want to define our data property, and the data property it's actually a function that returns an object. All right, inside that object we have all the data that we need for this component. All right, and want to return, and let's define a variable here that will toggle the panel, all right, to is active or not active. All right, and let's name that variable is panel active, and by default let's set it to false. All right, why is it complaining? Oh, I should be a comma. All right, now let's go ahead and actually write a function that will toggle this variable. All right, so inside, let's go ahead and define a methods object, and inside the methods object, we need a comma here. And inside the methods object, right, so inside the methods object, let's define a function that will actually toggle the panel. All right, let's name it toggle panel. All right, and this will toggle the panel. Let's say is panel active equals not this is panel active. So this will set the is panel active value to the opposite of whatever value it currently is. All right, let's leave it here for now. In the next tutorial, we'll actually call this function and implement the tagging functionality.